In today's video, I will teach you how to make photos look bright and airy in Lightroom. Let's get started. A bright and airy edit enhances your photos with soft highlights, gentle contrast, and a fresh light-filled look. This style works beautifully for portraits, wedding photography, and lifestyle shots, giving them an elegant and dreamy feel. The first step is adjusting the basic panel for a light and soft look. You can start by adjusting the exposure and contrast to create a clean, airy base. Increase the exposure to around 0.3 to 1. The key to this style is brightness, so make sure to lift the exposure carefully. Now we're going to reduce the contrast to around -10 to -20 because lowering contrast creates a soft glowing effect. Now we're going to increase the highlights to 10 to 30, which boosts the brightness in lighter areas without overexposing. Now we're going to soften the dark areas for a more evenly lit image. So lift the shadows to around 20 to 40. Then adjust the whites to around 10 to 20 and lower the blacks to around 5 to 15. This keeps whites crisp and blacks soft for an airy look. And if needed, slightly increase the temperature to around 5 to 10 because subtle warmth helps the image feel inviting and fresh. Now we're going to fine-tune the tone curve for a soft glow. The tone curve helps create that soft, airy finish. In the point curve, grab the bottom left point and raise it slightly for a soft fade. Then slightly lower the midtones to keep the look gentle and dreamy. Now slightly lift the top right of the curve for soft brightness. A slight S-curve works best for an airy look. Now we're going to adjust the HSL for soft pastel-like colors. The HSL or Hue, Saturation, and Luminance panel helps keep colors soft and delicate. To soften the colors, we're going to start with hue adjustments. Shift the greens towards yellow for a warm and fresh feel. Then move the yellow slightly toward orange for a glowing look. Then adjust the blues toward aqua to tone down harsh sky tones. Now we're going to mute bold colors by adjusting the saturation. Start by reducing the green and blues to around -10 to -30 to keep the background soft. Then slightly lower the reds and oranges to around -5 to -15 for subtle skin tones. Now we're going to brighten soft colors by adjusting the luminance. Increase the luminance in oranges and yellows to around 10 to 30 to enhance brightness. Then boost the greens to around 10 to 20 to lighten the foliage. Now we're going to add soft, airy color grading. Start by adding soft peach or warm yellow tint in highlights. Set the hue to 30 to 50 with low saturation of around 10 to 15. Then keep the shadows light and neutral by applying a soft blue or purple tint at a low saturation, which can create a dreamy feel. And for midtones, use a warm orange hue with low saturation. And make sure to keep the color grading subtle to avoid an unnatural look. Now we're going to reduce the clarity for a soft, dreamy effect. Lower the clarity to around -10 to -30 to soften the edges and give a natural glow. Then increase the texture to 5 to 15 if needed. This adds a gentle detail while keeping the soft effect. Then slightly reduce the dehaze to -5 to -10 to create a soft, ethereal glow, especially in backlit photos. Now we're going to add a vignette and grain for a film-like finish. Apply a soft vignette around -5 to -15 to subtly draw focus to the subject. Then add a small amount of grain around 5 to 15 to help mimic a soft film look. You can also save this as a preset for quick, bright, airy edits. Simply click the plus icon in the presets panel. Then select Create Preset and name it Bright and Airy Look, and check only the adjusted settings. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.